Hello friends, welcome to Recipes Old and New. Today we are going to make easy chicken tahiri, that is one pot chicken meal. Let's get started. Add 4 tablespoons of white oil on a hot pan. Lightly fry 12 pieces of cashew, 20 pieces of resins on medium heat and keep aside. Now fry one medium-sized potato cut into cubes until they are golden. And keep them aside. Add whole garam masala, that is 4 green cardamom, 2 cinnamon stick, 4 cloves and 2 bay leaves. Fry it lightly. Now add 2 finely sliced onion, half teaspoon of salt. Fry until golden brown. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, and a little amount of water. Fry until the raw smell goes out. Add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and fry for 1 minute. Add 300 grams of boneless chicken cut into cubes and saute for 3 minutes. Curry cut chicken can also be used instead of boneless chicken. Let's add 3 tablespoons of curd and fry for 1 minute more. Add the fried potato and saute for 2 minutes. Add 1 cup of washed and cleaned Govindabhog rice or any other flavored rice and saute for 2 minutes. add 2 cups of hot water. Fried cashew and resins, 6 green chilies, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon ghee, Once it starts boiling, make the heat low and cover with a lid. Cook for 3 minutes. Open the lid, add 1 teaspoon of sugar, though it's optional. Again cover the lid and cook for 7 minutes on very low heat. Open the lid and once stir the rice very carefully. Cover the lid again and cook for 3 minutes more on very low heat. Turn off the heat and give a standing time of 10 minutes. That's all. Chicken tahari is ready to serve. It can be served with raita and salad. If you enjoy the video, do share it with your friends and family. Like it. Subscribe to our channel. Recipes old and new will be highly appreciated. Press the bell icon to get the notification of our new videos. Until next time, this is Recipes Old and New. Namaskar.